Hi and welcome to this Chakra Meditation. Before we start, I recommend that you get yourself all organised, you have your pillows and your cushions, but I like to use a diffuser when I meditate as well. It allows me to really calm and relax myself, and I also love to use a blend that so something like the chakra balancing blend, and I can put a few drops onto my bracelets, my aromatherapy bracelets, and throughout the day I can do a little inhale and it can help center me back to the meditation this morning. So it's just a time to relax and calm. You can do this at any time of the day. The other option is using something like a balm. I've got the chakra balancing balm as well, and it's another wonderful way of just rubbing a little bit taking a bit onto your fingers, rubbing it around your neck, on your temples, even on the soles of your feet. I love to do when you're doing a meditation. It can just really help center and calm you. And when you're all sorted, you can place yourself in a seat. Now you can sit similar to how I'm sitting, like this. You can sit cross-legged. If you do sit cross-legged, ensure that your hips are a little bit higher than your knees, so you're sitting upright. And if you're laying down flat, just make sure you've got a little pillow under your head and under your knees, if you like, just to support you. Tuck your chin in, and then on your next breath in, close down the eyes. Take a deep breath in to your body and relax on the exhale. Become aware of the sounds that you may be hearing and how your body's feeling. Take a full, deep breath in and let it all out. Allow your body to release what it no longer needs. Allow it to let go and flowing and floating away. Begin to sense the space around you. Breathe into this space and become aware of the rise and the fall of your breath. Breathe down into where the weight of your body rests, below the base of your spine, to your root chakra of belonging. Breathe into your root and let it soften and gently expand. Taking in the nourishment and the life force energy. Allow your root chakra to connect down to the earth below. Envision a light of glowing red energy surrounding the base of your spine empowering, embodying, grounding you into the here and now. Let your root chakra take what it needs. Allow your awareness to move just below your belly button, your chakra of emotional intelligence, choice, creativity, movement and pleasure. Feel yourself breathe into this area and let it gently soften and expand with your breath, taking in nourishment and the life force energy. And envision a glowing orange light enter you as you breathe in and out, balancing, empowering, motivating. Move your awareness up to the soft area before your breastbone, to your solar plexus, your chakra of personal power and strength. Breathe into here, allowing your solar plexus to soften and expand. And invite the colour yellow into your life. Bathe in the solar plexus with sunshine, replenishing, restoring, and nurturing. Letting your solar plexus take what it needs. Focus now on the center of your chest, to your heart, your chakra of self-development and unconditional love. Gently breathe into your heart, letting it soften and expand on your breath. And invite a green light, the color of spring. Bathe your heart center with nourishment, renewal, and healing. And let your heart chakra take what it needs. Moving your attention to your neck, to your throat, your chakra of self-expression and personal will. Allow your throat center to soften, expand, and envision a blue, glowing energy around your neck. Breathe into this and allow your throat to expand and clear and soften, freeing self-expression and creativity. And let your throat chakra take what it needs. Move your focus now to the center of your forehead, between your eyebrows, to your third eye, your chakra of wisdom, intuition, and gently allowing it to soften, expand, and breathe. Inviting indigo, the velvety colour of the night sky, and bathe your third eye with indigo, soothing, balancing, restoring. And let your third eye take what it needs. Moving now to the top of your head, to your crown, your chakra of wisdom and oneness. Allow your chakra to breathe and gently inviting the warm light bathing your crown and balancing, restoring and harmonizing. Now feel your whole body as if you were your own skin and you were just looking and exploring your whole body. No judgment, just with a curious mind. You may feel different areas of energy and warmth. Just be aware, notice them, and just know that it's normal to have different feelings and to have different strengths at different times. Just be aware of where you're warm and use that energy throughout your day. Allow yourself to feel calm and balanced, kind and compassionate. And before you end this meditation, hold yourself for a moment with the loving kindness for the beautiful and unique human that you are. You are safe. You are kind. You are compassion. Thank you for joining me for this chakra meditation. I hope you enjoyed it and you can use it whenever you feel like you need. Bye.